Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. So I found this website that pays you to train AI. Alright, we're not going to talk too much on this video. I'm just going to walk you guys through. I haven't earned money yet, okay? I'm signing up today as I'm making this video. So feel free to sign up. I have over 1.5 million users right now. So you train AI and get paid. So before I go to the sign up page, let me take you through this. Okay, the name of the platform is Silencio, silencio.ai. So what they do is they can assign you to complete tasks such as analyzing voices or gathering voices from real world, like real world venue noise. Okay, in restaurants, nightlife, gyms, etc. And they usually have countries listed, the countries that can participate in this. You see the countries and information. I want you to note that it's available in Africa. Okay, you can go through this list. Nigeria is here as well because Nigeria is my headache. I make videos about money making app and websites, but Nigeria seems to be the problem. Nothing seems to work over there. Anyway, Nigeria is on the list, right? So that's how it works. They can assign you to, gather noise from places like this, or gather urban noise data from any city. You analyze noise exposure across, countries. So they have different countries where they would need you to gather information, voices like this. So this one now you can see speech ML, DL data, on-demand scripted conversations, hard to source languages, authentic scripted speech in rare languages and dialects, on-demand audio generation for AI training, includes rich metadata on user profiles. This one is available worldwide, but you can't really do anything until you sign up or you register on this platform. I started my registration already. Welcome to Silencio Voice AI. By sharing a bit of context, you're helping us build smarter, fairer AI that truly understands global languages and accents. Before we continue, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? Share it with someone and subscribe if you're new. Please drop a comment as well. If you're new, drop a comment saying first timer. Now, you want to go to silencio.ai to sign up. This is the sign up page, which contains your personal information, your background. To help them understand your language background, you need to complete it, how you speak, and where your voice comes from. I'll do that off camera because of my personal details, and then we'll continue. So basically, for the language section, you're going to select if you understand English or any other language there. There are lots of languages there you can select. If you're native or you're fluent in it, they will ask you where your dialect is from. So I chose Nigeria. Which region of the country is it? Is it Nigerian Standard English or Pidgin influenced? So you make your choice. So you receive 20% extra coins on all your opportunity recordings. They pay by coins, okay? If you have the referral code, you can enter it and get 20% extra. You earn 20% extra coins on opportunity recordings. Your referral earns 20% extra coins. Like that, it applies automatically. That's if you have a referral code. Since I don't have, you can use mine in the description so that you can get this 20% extra earning. So this is my dashboard. I'll finish registering. Before you begin, please take a few minutes to carefully read the presentation and watch the short videos. So you need time to read this. I will not be able to do it because obviously this video will be too long by the time I do it. So take your time. I'll complete mine later. So this teaches you how to do this recording, okay? Why your recordings matter. Every audio you contribute helps AI. I've worked for a company like this before. I've worked for them before. This is what they basically do. Sometimes they would send you to, you know, have a conversation in your family between a family member, go outside, take pictures, label images, go shopping and all of that. Okay, so you need to complete this. It's a short video. Complete it to, familiarize yourself with the program. So for rewards for contributions, you earn in-app coins for each contribution, in-app coins, raffle tickets for Deep in Luck monthly raffle. Prizes are distributed in SLC tokens with over 100 million unique rewards available each month. Additional and direct SLC bounties will be arriving soon. I don't really know what the SLC is. But yeah, I'm going to finish this. So I'm claiming your in-app coins. View in-app coins ready to be claimed. Insert your Silencio app username. If you don't have one, simply create it by downloading the app from the App Store. Okay, they also have an app. Best practices when recording: speak clearly and naturally. Avoid background noise. Follow the prompts closely. Record your native dialect accent. Use a microphone or headphones. This will greatly improve the quality of your recording. And the last bit. So you watch this video. I will not watch this video now. For opportunities, you click here. I already have 2 opportunities waiting for me that will pay 10 times. Okay, so 10 guys. This they pay in USD. They pay in USD actually. USD in USDC. So this one is 10 USD per hour in USDC. USDC payments are only issued to verified quality recordings and are subject to client approval and terms and conditions. So if I have just because I'm rushing to record this video, when I'm done, I would join the opportunity. Okay, and if you use my referral code, I believe you will also get this opportunity, but I'm just gonna skip for now. So for this one is ending soon. Speak in English for UK. Speak in English. That's what the task is all about for this one. Let's see. Opportunity. Join opportunity. This is the opportunity here. How to do food choices and eating habits. How do food choices and eating habits connect to seasons and emotions? So you're going to describe how your food preferences change with seasons and why certain foods feel appropriate at different times. You're going to share the role of comfort foods in your emotional well-being and stress management. Then you will explain how food traditions connect you to memories, culture, or community. We'll also discuss the balance between eating for nourishment and eating for pleasure or comfort. Then you talk about how your relationship with food and eating has evolved over time. You earn 5,000 in-app coins. So you're going to click here. Minimum recording time is 20 seconds. You click here and then talk about these things. That's it. They don't want you to use your British accent or American accent. Just use your normal English accent and talk about these 5 points under 20 seconds. You can talk about anything within the topic. Okay, so it says you can talk about anything within the topic. I will leave to pick one and talk about it. Okay, so once you finish, then I think it will automatically submit, and then you see your coins here. Total earned here in review coin, ready to claim, already claimed, and then you claim. So make sure to speak clearly and naturally, maintain a consistent volume, avoid background noise, use inspiration questions to get started. Okay, it's a free speech, and the earning is $10 per hour in USDC coin. $10 per hour in USDC coin. Train AI. What motivates you to help others in your community? You can also do this one if you want. And yeah, that's just it. Okay, that's just it. So you can get paid in USDC depending on the type of task. You can get in-app coins, that's if you're using the app. You can also get SLC, and add the wallet where you want to receive USDC payment. ERC20 wallet on okay. I'll figure out how to cash it out and update you guys in the comment section. I'll figure out how to cash it out. I believe it will not be difficult. So link your Silencio account to withdraw. To withdraw your in-app coin and any crypto earned through Bounty program. Okay, you can figure these ones out yourself. What matters is that I've shared the name, Silencio.ai. It is a legit platform. You can see they have accounts on X, Discord, Telegram, LinkedIn. And make sure your profile is complete. You can add as many languages as you can. I just couldn't add more because I needed to record this video and leave for work. So yeah, feel free to add more languages. You can even add African languages to it. And always click here for opportunities. You see opportunities. Yeah, I just signed up here now. As you're looking at me, as I was recording, you saw me sign up and I got these 2 qualifying opportunities to record. This is a platform where AI system is being trained. You're helping train AI system. And for those asking me in the comments, why are you training AIs? Do you want them to take over the world? Forget it, okay? Just forget about it. If you're not interested in earning some money, just go away. There's no point asking me why I'm training AI. Anyway, that is it. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up. Only 20% of you are subscribed to the channel and only 10% of you like the video. It's not nice. Like, comment, share. Let's interact in the comments. Okay? So I thought to share this with someone. I don't know who needs it. Don't forget the name of this platform is Silencio Voice AI or Silencio.ai. That is the name of this website. They also have an app. So, but depending on your location, you can check the app. If your name is there, fine. So this particular one, how do you continue growing and improving as a person? It's 500 in-app coins. That's what you're supposed to earn for this one. And the minimum recording is 20 seconds. Okay, describe what areas of yourself you're currently working on. Talk about how you identify areas where you want to grow. Explain what resources or methods help you develop new skills. Share how you measure your personal progress over time. Discuss what motivates you to keep learning and improving. And you earn 500 in-app coins. Okay, it's definitely worth it. Go and try. Let me see. Let me know your thoughts. I still have other ones lined up for you. So just watch out. If this doesn't work for you, other ones might. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like. Okay, it's very important that you like this video as you're watching it. It encourages me to keep sharing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.